Alright, by the title you can see why my boyfriend broke up with me. I'm gonna tell you why. So, you can't force it. If it's not meant to be, you can't force it. This is the first dude who has ever broke up with me. But you wanna know why? It's because men don't like ultimatums. Men don't like when you choose yourself or choose them. When they realize they are losing the power because you are choosing yourself, sis, choose yourself. Put yourself first. Don't ever degrade yourself and think that you have to belittle yourself for a man who doesn't appreciate your worth. Okay? So boom, check this out. This is how the story went. I'm dating this dude. We're dating for all of 3 months. Cool. 3 months is cool. You know what I'm saying? It was a great time, great laugh. But in 3 months, you can't truly know somebody. Okay? So, you know, a month in, we decided to go hang out with some friends to have a game night, a couple's game night. Lovely, should be great. As you know, 3 month in couple versus 7-year couple. We like, all right, bet. You know what I'm saying? Maybe a little words of wisdom. That is not what happened, folks. That is not what happened. So we playing this game. This game is called Piccolo. Okay, you put your names in the system. I'm not sponsored by Piccolo. Piccolo, I'm not sponsored by you. All right. But if you want me to, just hit me up. Anyways, we're playing this game. You put your names in the system and generates questions. You know, we laughing, joking, ha ha ha, drinking, you know, responsibly inside, not driving. And the question comes, LA. I'm like, huh? Me? You know, give out as many sips as good qualities that your boyfriend has. We like a month in. You know, I don't really, you know, got a lot to say. We just finished having an argument. Like, we argued a lot. And it was over petty things, just not seeing eye to eye, not being in the same mind space. It's just, you know, it was a lot of clashing of the titans. And I'm not a confrontational person. I really don't like to argue. And my flaw, which I can, you know, acknowledge, is that I won't argue. I will leave the room. I will walk out. I will close the door. I will leave until that situation is de-escalated. You gotta wait till I'm cooled down. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get my space, because if I say something that I don't mean to say after this thing came out, it's out there. So the question is, you know, give out as many sips, and I'm looking at him like, yeah, I ain't have nothing. I had nothing at all. I couldn't say anything. You know, and at that time, they like, say something. You like his eyes. You like this. You like this. And in my head, I'm like, those aren't qualities. Those are like characteristics. Like, these are things that you can physically see. I feel like a quality is something that somebody embodies. And me being an overthinker, me being the hopeless romantic Pisces creative person that I am, I'm trying to give a deeper meaning of what quality he has. I want to be like, yeah, I don't know what, he's strong, he got pretty eyes. Like, it's deeper than that to me for this question. So I ain't have nothing. I was stuck, because I'm like, you know, I don't really know him like that. You know, we just got finished arguing. I ain't got nothing really good. Why my friend boyfriend? Wow. So you ain't got nothing to say about, bro? You can't say nothing at all? Nothing. You ain't got nothing to say. I'm like, oh my goodness. Why are you doing this? Why you throwing me under the bus? Why you doing this? I don't understand why you doing this to me. So, we go home and proceed to argue. Some more. Mind you, we're staying together, which was like a very irresponsible decision, because we barely knew each other. So we're getting to know each other while getting to know each other's living habits, because we're thinking, you know, financially, this would be a good move. You level up, I level up, we stack this bread together, save some money, bada bing, bada boom. We should be great. I like spending time with you. You like spending time with me? Okay, good. No. Guys, don't do it. Do not move in with your spouse unless you are married. Don't move in until you are married, because the moment you're ready to marry somebody, that means you know any and everything that you need to know about them. You already know you want to spend the rest of your life with them. You already know their flaws, their goods, their bads, their do's, their don'ts, their nicks, their knacks. Like, you know everything about that person when you're about to marry them. And if you don't, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But don't just move in because you think it's beneficial financially, because it won't be beneficial for you emotionally and mentally. It will drain you. Okay, if you're not ready to share your space, all of your space with somebody, like putting your all in there, don't do it. And I feel like the only time it's time to put your all in is when you're married. Because while you're single, you should be singly focusing on you. Singly focus on what you want to accomplish, what you want to do, your goals, you know what I'm saying? Everything you want to accomplish in life, you should be focusing on that while you're single. Even when you're in a relationship, technically you're still single because you're not married. And single doesn't mean like single relationship status wise, because you can be in a relationship and still be focused on your goals individually. Okay, being single means to be an individual. Be an individual. Do not lose yourself in a relationship. You know what I'm saying? If you are not 100% by yourself and you 70%, that person just gonna only feel that 30%. You're not gonna be 100% happy ever, because you was already missing 30%. You need to be 100% so that when that person comes into your life, that you're adding happiness and not completing it for you, okay? Please remember that. So I go on to say, the next day, you know, it's like wow, you really don't know me. I don't know if we're supposed to be together, blah, 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 blah. And my mom's like, you know, she calls my phone. She's like, hey, you ready to go on vacation? I'm like, what? She's like, we're going to the beach today. You ready to go? I'll be there in a few minutes. I'm like, ooh, forgot. Let me pack my bag. I'm ready. This man says, wow, you're really leaving? Don't you think we need to talk about this? You just said you needed to think about it. What are we talking about? I'm going on vacation with my family. I'm going to go chill with my family. And, you know, if you need to think, take this time to think. I'll be gone, you know, take this time to think. That's me and my flaw, not sticking it out and talking as usual. Because I don't. If you're going to be upset by yourself. I don't want to be upset with you. So I accidentally kind of sort of left my phone on an accident. Like, I really did not mean to leave my cellular device, but I just had too much in my mental. Like, it was just a lot. So I'm like, oh my gosh, Mom, I left my phone. But we almost to the house at this point, so I'll call it. He picks it up. I'm like, I forgot my phone. I'm about to come back and get it. He like, nah, I can bring it to you. I'm like, all right, cool. You know, I guess that's cool. Like, he talking to me at least. He gonna bring it to me. Thank you, Daddy. He gets to the crib and my mother proceeds to say, excuse me, where's your bags? I said, what? Whose bags? His bags. What? Mid-argument, and this man is invited on family vacation. In a split of a second, I'm like, oh my God, help me, help. We not ready for a family vacation. We 2 months in, Mama. We like a month and some change, if that. We not ready. And she brings him in. So I'm like, all right, well, here we go. We're gonna just go on vacation. And you know me, being me, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is great. See, you get to be with me. We can work on it at the beach. Cool. Get to the beach, full-blown argument at the beach. Y'all, I kid you not, like, ever since, like, that qualities thing, it just went downhill. Like, he just felt like I just wasn't in it. He felt like I didn't know him. I'm like, bro, we just started dating. Are you serious right now? Are you really upset? I'm sorry. Whatever. But anyways, you know, birthday comes. He doesn't come and spend the birthday with me because we end up getting into it about money. One thing I don't like wasting more than time is wasting money, okay? And I was doing both. Both of them. I was doing it at the same time. Consecutively. But, yeah, so come April, we done. And let me tell you why he broke up with me. I said, listen, I'm thinking I'm about to fix the situation. I'm like, okay, we don't have to break up. Maybe we should just not live together. I'm like, listen, maybe we shouldn't live together because I don't know your living habits. You don't know mine. We're still trying to get to know each other. We constantly arguing. We all up under each other in each other's space. They give each other enough time to breathe. Nothing. Maybe we should just not live together. This man says, well, if we're not going to live together, we might as well not be together then. Like, what we even do this for? What? Do you know how many people are in a relationship and not living together? He said that like that was the most absurd thing. Like, being in a relationship means you gotta live with them. I don't got to do ooh, I almost cursed. I don't got to do nothing. I don't have to stay with you. I don't have to do that. And I'm not going to do that. So, I was like, okay. He was like, word, really? Okay? I said, yeah, okay. He's like, wow, all right, bet. I'm not a confrontational person, and I'm not about to chase you. If you want to leave, baby, you more than welcome. But I can kid you not, y'all. At the end of that night, I was all like, you really gone? I can't believe you. Y'all, I really was in there crying like, you really gone? Like, what you mean you leaving? Like, but you know, I had to toughen myself up. I couldn't go out on like G. I was just like, you know, a little like, wow, we really did. Okay, so yeah, that's the reason we broke up. We broke up because I said we shouldn't live together anymore, and he decided that was the ultimatum. I made a choice for myself that we just shouldn't live together, and he said, well, if you're not gonna live together, then bye. I said, okay. And what did he do? He went to go jump into another relationship with another girl so he can go and live with her. You guys know what that is called? A hobosexual. A person who gets in a relationship for a place to stay. All right, maybe that was too harsh. Maybe that was a stretch. Sorry. Okay, but no, for real, guys. That is the reason why we broke up over a year ago, and I've been chilling. You know what I'm saying? I had little boo things here and there, but I've been chilling. I've been chilling for the most part. But anyways, yeah, so that's why we broke up, and that was that on that. That is this on this, and I'm out. Like, comment, and subscribe. I got some really cool content coming. I'm just really excited to, you know, share my life with you. To share my life with you.